helper, let's say it kind of package that allowing us to do the following. So here we have a couple of main features like profile to permission set converter, we have permission set analyzer and permission report. So here we could see some, let's say, use cases that we could cover. It's, for example, we could compare permission assignment across users in report view and extract that report. We could also reduce overhead in profile and permission set management when switching user license, and we could easily analyze which user have access to what permissions in one screen. So it's a package, and when we will install it on the org, we will be able to find in the, let's say, quick menu the following permission helper application. So when we will go there, we will be able to see that there we have first of all tab that have name permission analyzer. So from there, what we could do is, for example, when we would like to see what kind of permissions our user have, we could find that user right from there. And after that, we will be able to see for that user what is his profile, what is his permission set related, what is permission set group assigned, and for every standard custom object or setup entity access or user permissions, we will be able to quickly review from there what kind of, let's say, CRUD permissions do we have in terms of our profile, what kind of read access, edit access to the fields we have, and how it's look like. So for example, when we come into the custom objects, from there we could see also the same kind of, let's say, CRUDs available for us to check. If we have fields, like what kind of field level security we have set up here, and in terms of setup entity access, if there will be something, and in terms of user permission. And one of the interesting, let's say, features related to this specific, let's say, application, is sometimes we need to quickly, let's say, transfer our profiles to permission set and assign this permission set to necessary persons. So how we could do so? So from there we go into the converter tab. From there we could find what kind of profile we would like to convert. So for example, if we choosing this one and we select and convert to permission set, here we could set up what will be our name, and what it will do after some time, it will just create, let's say, permission set that should in general copy all of permissions related to our profile into this permission set. So it will include all of kind of CRUD access, application level access, and all this stuff. So once it will be done, here we will be able to see a couple of buttons. When we will click on one of the buttons, it will give to us, let's say, overview new created permission set, and this permission set will have that specific name that we just set up. So it will take some time, and after that we will be able to see the, let's say, prepared summary. So what kind of number of field permission was added, what kind of object permissions added, and what kind of setup entities was created. So once we will go to that link, we will be able to observe what we have created, how it's look like, and we will be able to actually compare if it's in general the same what we just cloned. So this is, let's say, the way how this permission helper package works. So if you will want to find it, go to your App Exchange, put here permission helper, and you will be able to find it. So that's it. At this moment, that's all, and thank you for attention.